MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional AC tune-up in Pottstown, PA, helping keep your cooling system running efficiently and reliably during the hottest months. Regular AC tune-ups are essential for preventing unexpected breakdowns, improving energy efficiency, and extending the lifespan of your air conditioning system. Our experienced technicians perform detailed inspections, clean critical components, check refrigerant levels, and ensure your system operates at peak performance. Routine maintenance can also improve indoor comfort and reduce energy costs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable AC tune-up in Pottstown, PA, and keep your home or business cool and comfortable all season long. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC system design near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides AC system design services in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional AC tune-up services in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses looking to maintain reliable cooling performance during the summer months. Regular AC tune-ups are essential for ensuring your air conditioning system operates efficiently and safely. What is included in an AC tune-up service? An AC tune-up in Pottstown, PA includes a comprehensive inspection and maintenance of your air conditioning system to ensure optimal performance. MAC HVAC Service and Repair follows a detailed checklist during every tune-up appointment. What is your AC tune-up in Pottstown, PA? Our AC tune-up has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashfats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.